Hey guys, this is a more casual video, I guess, just showing off my, I guess aquaponics, I guess you can call it that, setup that I made a couple of years ago to try and save water on the duck pond. So this is the main trough. It's made out of half an old water heater that I got for free somewhere, so I cut that in half, and it takes water from this duck pond here. Oh my god, all the animals are talking at once. So this is Bubbles and Temmie. They live here. And this pond used to get really dirty really quick. So like every, I don't know, 4 or 5 days, if not more often, we would have to change the water just because it absolutely stank and it was just gross. And that was quite a lot of water to change. And so I thought this may help make us have to change the water less, which it has. It's been really effective. We can go a couple of weeks or more without having to change the water, and even then it's not that bad. When we change the water, we use it to water all these plants, which are fenced off at the moment because someone, Temmie, likes to eat them when they're small, so once this has grown a bit more, we'll give them access to the rest of this run again. So the setup's really simple. Underneath that outlet down there, there's a pump, which is powered by this solar panel up here. It's not really getting peak sun at the moment, so it's fairly slow. Yeah, hey Bubbles. But you can see there's the outlet pipe down there and the inlet pipe underneath it. That just goes through and puts the water up. Let's see, up this end of the trough. You can see it coming in there. In here I've just got like reeds or catchtails, whatever you call them, and then a bunch of other plants. I don't know what any of them are. But yeah, the water just kind of filters through these various plants, and then there's through that little mesh cup, which acts as kind of a filter. It just gets gravity fed back out into the pond. Yeah, I'm considering setting this up to do veggies potentially in the future, because that I've heard would work quite well, but for its purpose of making us change the water a lot less, it certainly does the job. Not like these guys really care. They'll swim in anything, but oh well. Are you gonna come here? You gonna come here? Yeah.